everyone, welcome again to Bishoff's basement. It's cold down here today. Didn't have the heater on. My feet are cold. So are my fingers. What are we going over today? Oh, I promised you a short and quick project that's kind of fun. And so we've been doing measuring with the architect scale. And we are going to put those aside for now. Be sure to finish up that last project. You'll see that I have videos covering not only how to do the project, but going over the whole project with you. You'll need your drafting packet today. You're going to open up to this page right here because we're going to go over combining the 30, 60, and 45, 90 triangles. Now, over on this side, you'll see it discusses what triangles are and how they're used. So I'm going to do that first. Triangles are usually made of clear or tinted plastic and are used for drawing vertical and angular lines. Drafters use two, the 30, 60 triangle, which is this guy right here, also pictured here, because it has a 30 degree, a 60 degree, and a 90 degree angle, which contains 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree angles, and the 45-90 triangle, which is made up of two 45 degree angles and one 90 degree angle. So 45, 45, 90. To use a triangle, hold it firmly against the top edge of a T-square. Well, now we're not using T-squares. Normally when we're working in the classroom, we have a drafting arm that is, basically it's fixed in place and it's horizontal, and then we can drop our triangles against that horizontal line when we're doing our drawings. Because we don't have that, you're gonna have to be finding a horizontal line to work off of when you're placing putting your triangle in place, and you'll have to eyeball it. It's a little more difficult than if we were to be doing this in the classroom, but it's not overly difficult by any means. So you hold the edge to the T-square, the parallel rule, or a parallel line. Draw a vertical or angular line by placing the pencil against the triangle and pulling it upward to draw a line from bottom to top. Do not apply too much pressure, as it will form grooves in the paper that cannot be removed. Holding the triangle and T-square firmly without movement will ensure parallel lines every time. So that's what they're showing you here, is just you placing it on the paper and drawing the line, which we'll do in a moment. To prevent smearing when drawing vertical or angular lines, always work from left to right across the sheet. That's good advice to work in one direction, because if you draw a line and then drag your triangle over it, you could smudge that line. So it is a good idea to try to not drag your tools across the paper whenever possible. So let's take a look at this right here. Angles that can be drawn using only the 30, 60, or 45, 90 triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, and since you can draw a 30 degree, you can also draw a 150 degree angle. That's from here to here. You can draw a 90 degree angle, a 30 degree angle like this, which will also be a 120 degree angle, and a 60 degree. Draw 45s. You can draw 90s. And since you can draw a 45, you can also draw 135 degrees. We're going to skip this for now, move over to this side. Okay, so first things first, be sure when you tear this out, I like to tear mine out so I have a flat surface to work on. Just be sure you hang on to it so you can put it back in your book after you tear it out. And we will do this project in the next video.